Welcome to Math Classroom with Sir Dan. Okay, in today's video, we're going to study how to find percent of a number. So we have two ways to find the percent of a number. The first way is by changing your rate into a fraction, and the second way is by changing your rate into a decimal. So the first question, we have 20% of 30 is blank. So first, we're going to change 20% into a fraction, which is 20 all over 100 multiplied by 30 all over 1. So we're going to multiply numerator by numerator, which is 20 times 30 makes 600 all over 100 times 1. It makes 100. So we divide 600 by 100, so it gives us 6. Our answer is 6. So 20% of 30 is 6. The second way is by changing 20% into decimal. So we're going to move two places, going to the left, 1 and 2. So it gives us the 20% in decimals is 0.2. After that, we're going to multiply 30 by our decimal, which is 0.2. So 2 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 3 is 6. And then we are going to count the number of decimals in our factor, which gives us 1. We're going to move 1 places going to the left, so the answer also is 6. So that is the two ways in finding the percentage of a number. So we have two ways. Let's have the next example. 45% of 20 is blank. So we're going to change 45 to fraction, which is 45 all over 100 multiplied by 20 all over 1. So we're going to multiply 45 by 20. So we have 0. 2 times 5, that is 10. Carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1. It gives us 9. And 100 times 1, it gives us 100. And then how many hundreds in 900? It gives us 9. So 45% of 20 is 9. So the second way is changing 45% into a decimal. So we're going to move two places, going to the left. Gives us 0.45. Okay, so we're going to multiply 0.45 by 20. So we have 0 here. And then 2 times 5, it gives us 10. Carry 1. And 2 times 4, it's 8 plus 1 is 9. So after we multiply a decimal, going to count the number of places in our factor, which is give us 2 places here. So we're going to move 2 places, going to the left, 1 and 2, give us also the answer of 9. So we get the same answer by using the two ways, no? Let's have the last example. 5% of 40 is blank. So we're going to change 5% into a fraction, which is 5 all over 100 times 40 all over 1. So we have 5 times 4, that is 20. So it gives us 200 all over 100. So how many hundreds and 200? It gives us 2. So we have 2 is our 5% of 40. Then last way, we're going to do changing 5% into a decimal. So moving 2 places, going to the left. So it gives us 0.05. Multiplying that to 40, so 0.05. 5 times 0, it's 0. 5 times 4, it's 20. So we have 2 decimal place here. going to move 2 places going to the left, it gives us the answer of 2. That is how we're going to find the percent of a number using the two-way, by changing the rate into a fraction or by changing the rate into a decimal. Thank you for listening.